So you want to know how to avoid digital marketing mistakes, am I right? Okay, well maybe you just want to know how to successfully market your business online. In the last 5 years, I've made a ton of mistakes and from them learned these 4 must-know rules of digital marketing. If you want to learn all 4 rules, this video is for you. And if you want to learn how to apply these rules, stay until the end of this video. Hey, wait, before I forget, can you just flip your phone right side up and then right down there, click on that subscribe button. If you're on your desktop, it should be right down there as well. Big red button. Rule number 1 is sell a good product. An example of my mistake here would be when I tried to sell a PLR product, which stands for private label rights. And it's basically an info product that someone else writes for you. And the gurus teach you if you're going to sell PLR products, rebrand it and make it your own. So, I did that, but I mean, honestly, this is the same crap that anyone can research and find online. And quite frankly, it was just a junky product and nobody wanted it. By selling a good product that offers value, you save yourself a massive chunk of work. So good products like ClickFunnels, for example, basically sell themselves because they offer high value to the buyer. The only way to sell a product that is not good is to have wicked good sales copy or a ton of website traffic. And if you're not a master at both of those, then you need to keep listening. Rule number 3 is multiply your lead magnet. What I mean by this is for every lead, which means every person clicking on your offer, give them as much valuable information as you possibly can. My mistake on this law of marketing was that I used to focus only on getting the person's email or contact info, adding them to my list, and then sending them some junky product from rule number 1, and then which in turn would ask them to buy another junky product, and of course that failed. The lesson here is if you're going to ask someone for their information, give them as much valuable information on the topic as you possibly can for free. Now, why would you want to do that? All the gurus teach you give away a small portion of your knowledge for free and then charge for the rest. I mean, that is so 2013. Things have now changed online and anyone can find all this information you're providing on your crappy little cheat sheet or free ebook. And I'm not saying that these things can't work, but what I'm saying is they're much less effective now than 5 or 6 years ago. What people need now is how to apply the information in real world circumstances. If you're not sure still what I mean, please wait until the end of this video and I'm going to give you a link to the full details. And rule number 3, don't laugh, is forget about email marketing. So my biggest mistake in email marketing was thinking that I could make it work with less than 1,000 subscribers. What I learned and why it's now rule number 3 is that if you're just getting started, email marketing sucks. Most gurus are going to teach you that the best way to sell online is to build an email list and then sell them stuff through emails. But the truth is that for beginners and newbies starting out, email marketing is not an option because the numbers just aren't there. And that goes without even talking about how spammy, annoying, and impersonal those email sequences really are. I mean, let's be honest. It's pretty obvious when somebody is sending you a sequenced email. Like, it's obvious that they didn't personally write that email to you. And 90% of the time, the email has no value. It's just some junky thing that they send out to their whole list. And for that reason, email marketing sucks when you're a beginner. So then that leads me to rule number 4, genuinely try to help people. And my mistake here is I used to only care about making money. I didn't really follow up with anyone and see if what I provided was truly valuable and worked for them. So using the techniques that I will teach you in my free training, I'm going to show you how you can show genuine compassion and caring for your followers without actually taking up too much of your own time. The reason why this is the final rule, but one of the most important, is because in today's online world, everything is impersonal. Everyone's just hiding behind a screen. So showing that you truly care for your followers' success not only shows you're a decent human being, but also helps you to change the world and provides you a little bit more passion and direction in your online business. And with that said, now you know all 4 rules on how to avoid digital marketing mistakes that myself and others have made. If you found this video useful, please give it a big thumbs up and comment below which law was your favorite. If you know someone that might benefit from these 4 laws, please share this video. And don't forget to subscribe right there. Oh, you can also subscribe right there. And once you're done that, go click on the link in the description to get my free detailed training on how to apply these rules to your online business. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.